Hello. You may be wondering who this terribly sick child is on your screen. I regret to inform you that it is 7:41 a.m. and I am in no place to be recording this, and so bright. So there has been a trend of like not very good makeup artists copying very good makeup artists and vice versa. Since I am a makeup enthusiast, I was gonna do somebody who was bad, but instead I just decided to wake up at 7 a.m. The reason I got into makeup in the first place was Jaclyn Hill. I did some digging. Not really, this video is from May. I did some looking. I looked on her page. I'm actually gonna try for real in it, even though I'm acting like I'm not. I am going to try because I do have like a family gathering to go to today. So this is the look I will be recreating. It's actually a really easy one, but that's why I'm going to do this one, just because it looks easy. Is it going to be as easy as it looks? Let's go! This is called Easy Glitter Glam Makeup Tutorial, Jaclyn Hill, and yet it's 17 minutes long. It's got 1 million views. Here we go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a very in-depth, step-by-step how-to talk-through tutorial on this look that you see right here. I have pretty much been wearing this look non-stop.
Not the same. Alright, let's just get into it. Here we go. Now she looks like a thumb, like me.
I'm gonna do my thing. Okay, I'm gonna start off by priming my face. You use whatever primer you have and you love. It can also be a moisturizer if you have a great moisturizer that you love.
Alright, so Jaclyn's got her bling bling on, so I've got my bling bling on. Starting with a primer. She's just gonna put it everywhere. That's what I'm gonna do too. I have Makeup Forever, step 1.
A new face just because the foundation won't really have anything to stick and hold on to throughout the day. So
feel
slap something on that bitch and let's move forward. Okay, now I'm gonna pick up foundation. I'm gonna go in with the...
Girl, chill. Chill. Next she has Dior Forever foundation. I don't have that. I have Maybelline Dream Cushion, which I actually just bought and I really like it. So I'm going to use that instead.
I'm going to just dab this around my face to get off.
Now this one's like a cushion. So I'm just going to stick my brush in there. I'm not going to put it on my face like that. Let's do it. Her face is also a different color than her neck, just like me. Thanks to Loving Tan. Love ya.
My finger. I'm going in with a Cover FX liquid foundation brush.
Hey,
I like it. I'm not obsessed with it. Like, this foundation is a little bit darker than my face, but as you can see, it's going to match my neck. My face is really white and really fair. It has a kind of like a pinkish undertone in it. Look at these breakouts
same.
right here. But once I get the foundation on my face, it will match my neck perfectly. I'm going to barely put this on my actual lid. Like, I'm talking barely. I want you to actually still be able... Okay, next I'm going to fill in my brows.
Wait, I'm not ready. I'm still putting it barely on my eyelid. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Why am I not in bed right now?
Natural looking as possible. So whatever your natural brow routine is, just do that for today's look. Now I'm going to go in with these
Okay, she's already done it. So I guess I'll do the same thing. Here's my natural, or what'd she say, my everyday brow routine. There. Alright, now that I look gross.
Step-by-step contour stick. This is just a giant crayon in the shade Bronze. It comes in a little pack with all...
I don't have these, but I do have old AF Anastasia cream contour. That stuff looks perfect. This one usually works for me, but today I'm not feeling that adventurous. Use this metal shade. Put it like right there. Right? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I think I'm good.
I'm going to grab a little duo fiber brush to blend that out with. This is a MAC 130. And I'm just going to begin to just go straight back and forth. And then once we have that line buffed out a little bit, I'll go in like little tiny circular motions. And I've talked about this
Can you even
before,
see
but
anything?
honestly, you do
It
not
looks better on
need,
camera than it
like
does in person.
sticks like this to draw some lines up on my forehead, because we do not want a pale forehead. I never want to leave this area alone.
I never want a pale forehead either, girl.
Overall, make
I
the face
feel
look
you.
so much more put
I'm not
together.
gonna do that many because she's got such a small little thingy.
Okay, now only because I'm high makeup.
Wait, I'm not ready. Okay. There we go. Looks just like her, right? Less is always more when it comes to contour.
I'm gonna grab some of this Chanel cream bronzer. This is the Soleil Ten de Chanel. I'm gonna go ahead.
Girl, I know you're trying to like mock the fact that you have Shanae, but I ain't got Shanae. I'm just gonna skip this step because I'm not doing it.
Now I'm going to just grab that highlighting stick from Smashbox and I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to just color this in. I know this routine seems complex.
I'm gonna take my Anastasia and use this one that has almost nothing left in it.
So fast and so easy that I don't even think of it as complex. I'm going to go back in with that same brush that I used to.
Wait for me. Okay. Does anybody else have this problem of just like hairy cheeks? Just makes my skin look hairy.
And this will just make the lower half of the face look way cleaner and way more put together.
Way hairier. It's great.
Line like that. So we're going to go in. Begins. You just want everything to kind of fade like an ombre effect. Okay, so for concealer, a lot of times when I do this look, I don't even apply concealer. I just...
I need concealer.
If you do want to do concealer, you would want to do just a very small amount. So we do...
It is 7 a.m. I'm actually going to do extra concealer. So I'm going to do yellow. I just recently moved and I lost all my beauty blenders. I don't know where they went. So I'm going to use this one. Okay, I'm not going to flip you all off.
Don't want anything to get caked up or be too heavy. So I'm literally going to do just a dot in the inner corner of my eye. And then...
A dot. Girl, I'm using 2. It's fine. Next I'm doing Maybelline Fit Me Light. I seem to find it works just as well and looks exactly the same as the NARS one.
Shade Moonlight. I will go back.
I ain't got that, but I do have Profusion Way to Glow Liquid Illuminator.
Dropper, and I will just put it on the back.
I don't think this has a name.
Hand,
it just says liquid illuminator.
One drop is fine because one will go along with it.
One drop.
I'm going to take a damp beauty sponge. This one
One
is by
squeeze.
Morphe, and I'm going to
One
just go ahead
squirt.
and tap it directly onto...
Like I said, I ain't got a beauty blender. I'm gonna use my finger. For some reason this stuff's so pink though. I'm kind of scared. I actually have plans today.
You can see how intense that is. It's such a pretty highlight. And I'm just going to dab...
So pink. Okay. It's so intense. It's so intense. Wow. My boyfriend just discovered that Vine and he's obsessed with it. And I'm like, you're like 4 years too late.
In light contour palette, can we just...
I ain't got that. But I do have the Profusion contour palette. It's a workout too. And the mirror is broken. Yes! Wow. It's the same stuff. It's just colorful powders. It's fine. I'll be fine.
I'm going to make sure to not cover up that highlight that we put on.
Okay, it's not the same stuff. I already look like a creasy little... This eyeball is so red. It's like, why are you putting me in front of these bright lights with contacts in at 7 a.m.? I should be closed right now. This stuff looks awful. I'm going to use this Airspun stuff because I just ran out of my Laura Mercier. I don't mind it. I've been using it to set my whole face lately. I'm pretty sure that's the next thing she's going to do, so let's watch and see.
In the face, I'm going to go in with some of this MAC Cosmetics Next to Nothing Pressed Powder. I actually haven't used this yet. I don't powder my entire face. Like, I'm not going to go over all my contour. I'm not going to go over all my highlight. I'm just going to powder the bottom of my face, the inner corner like of the under eye, and then like my top lip area.
Oh my god, I look so hairy. Why do I look so hairy?
Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I'm going to just set my...
Brow gel's a waste of money. I don't use it anymore. I don't have brow gel, sorry.
Okay, so now for the really fun part. I'm going to go in with the Stila Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid.
Guess what?
I ain't got that.
So instead, I have this. I'm also gonna go with gold. That's just my look today. It's just a gold eyeliner. I'm gonna use it.
Just draw this all over the lid area. And if you want to make
It looks so nice. It looks like a liquid lipstick for your eyeball. Let's see if this has the same effect. It's actually not bad. Not quite the same dramatic effect.
get that poppin'. Yes, honey. Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Okay, when I try to like go over this again, it just takes off what I put on before. Obviously it's not the same product and it's starting to burn my eyeball a little bit, so.
Are you joking? Like that glitter is just so yummy. Okay.
That's scary. I just got it all over my eyelid because it just, her reaction shook me. I honestly think I'm allergic to this stuff. It's making my eyes water. Let's put on some more. What did she say? Yes, honey. I'm not not quite feeling the same way. It's just all coming off. I'm gonna cry. Just kidding. But okay, honestly, this looks awful. It's wet.
Okay, so now I'm going to pick up some of the Makeup Forever Star Lit Powder in the shade 13.
Okay, good. She's gonna try to fix it too.
I'm going to grab just a small synthetic brush. This is the MAC 242 brush that I use all the time. I'm going to just
I got that!
have it right there just a little bit, and then what I always do is I go to the lid and I kind of just like rub it around in the lid because it is such fine, like loose powder. You really barely need any of it. And I'm going to use this just to highlight my brow bone very lightly.
Uh-oh.
Like, look.
Is that all she's using it for? I'm trying to fix my stuff. I'm trying to fix my face. And she's going to the next step. Sorry. My life just flashed before my eyes. I'm gonna drop that lid to the ground. I'm just gonna do this and go on. Okay. So that one from daytime to nighttime real fast. This is so much glitter. It looks like a hot mess. I look crazy. Let's just keep going.
Look at that glow. Are you kidding me?
It's just like a loose, it's like a loose little highlight, but there's so much powder. I'm not even gonna, I'm not even gonna touch that. Got my Anastasia Old AF Glow Kit.
Coat on my top lashes only because I am going to pop on some false ones. My lashes now, I'm going in with the style Slayla by Flutter Lashes.
Okay, I have the style Buttercream by Crave Lashes.
Lashes are on. I took a little potty break and I feel much better.
I did not.
Okay, so now I'm going to look up some MAC Chromographic Pencil in the shade NC15.
I ain't got that. I've got NYX.
See, it is so easy, but yet it has such like a statement effect, you know, which is why I've been wearing this look so often, because it's so easy to do and it's...
She looks so good. Let's see how I look. My eyelash even attached. My eyeshadow glitter looks horrible. My family's gonna think, what drugs have you been on? I kind of want to cry, but I just spent all the time on these lashes.
You could do a bold one like this color.
She goes out of nowhere with that lip. Her lips look perfect.
Alright you guys, that is it for this look. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up to let me know.
Me too.
Also, don't forget to give me your opinion.
Okay guys, so what do you think? Let me zoom you in. This one, like, I couldn't get it to attach the right way. I don't even have the money for chicken nuggets. She just looks like effortlessly beautiful. I look like I got into the wrong crowd. I'm gonna try to fix it up. Sorry, the light is so bright. I can't tell my mom finger crying. And then I'll show you how I fixed it up, and it's gonna look nothing like hers, but maybe I should have just followed a different tutorial because I completely changed it. Added some shadow. I completely went over the copper glitter because it just looked like a hot mess. I added some liner. So basically I completely changed the look. It's still a little too glam for a Sunday morning at It's now 9:17. Jaclyn is so talented and I love her. Like I said, she's the reason I got into makeup in the first place. So thank you, Jaclyn, for sharing all of your knowledge with the internet. I love you. I will always love you. But I think I failed miserably. It was fun. It was fun. If you enjoyed this video, I would love to do more of them. If you liked it, please let me know in the comments below. Please like, please subscribe, turn on those notifications. Really trying to grow my channel. I'm trying to get more consistent. So please let me know what you'd like to see next. And thank you so much for watching. Let's do it together, girl.
I love you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.